Hello, welcome to Rando Tech Info. So today we're doing an unboxing and a quick review of the Ming Sung camera video sunglasses. We're going to go ahead and call them the video camera sunglasses because, you know, grammar. So the idea behind these things is that you're supposed to be able to put them on. There's supposed to be a little camera in between the sunglass lenses on the frame, and you're supposed to be able to go out into the world, record. It has a built-in, well, it's not built-in, it is removable, but it comes with a 32 gig micro SD card that when you're done with your adventures, you're supposed to be able to come home, take out, put in your computer, and download your footage. Upload, download. You're downloading to the computer, but you're uploading from the glasses. So these are not for streaming. These are not for live streaming. You would have to record what you want to record and then download it to your computer. So you can't really complain about that though, considering the price point. These are only $59.99 on the Zon right now, so they're pretty reasonable. The reason I'm interested in them is I'm considering using them for future unboxings. Before, if you're a longtime fan of the channel, I used to wear a head rig, and I used to try to put my phone, my recording device, in the head rig and record it that way, and that didn't work very well. And then since then, I have a gooseneck phone holder, which you're gonna probably see a little bit today when I do the unboxing, but I thought this would be an interesting idea to try to get that first person perspective with unboxings if it does a good enough job. So enough talk, let's get into this thing. Okay, so pretty unextraordinary packaging. It does at least have the name of the product on the outside. I have actually gotten some items where that was not the case. Okay, and then these are the sunglasses, or at least I assume they are. It'd be weird if that was just an empty case. And then inside the box, you got glasses cord here, I guess, which is good for like putting them around your neck. Could be useful. Might try that out. I assume this is just the charging cable, and I guess it's a cable to download from, unless you take the card out. I don't know if we'll take the card out and put it directly in the computer, or if we'll just download from sunglasses. Either way, it is micro USB, which, you know, once again, it's fine considering the price point. And then you've got your user manual. So not a whole lot in the box, nothing too exciting. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, got a little cloth here for keeping things clean, warranty card, and then the sunglasses. They're not hideous. They're actually not terrible. The sides here are a little on the thick side. Do these pop out? No. So the size you have is the size you get. Okay, and then here's the slot for the micro SD card. In fact, micro SD card. In fact, it is in there, and it does come with that, which is nice. It mentions that in the Amazon description, so that is nice. If you had to go out there and buy that yourself, that would be even more money. So, and I guess here would be your charging ports, your micro USB port there. So, okay, very cool. Let's try them on. Let's see how I look. So here I have them on just to show you a couple quick things. So the microphone, I don't know if you can see this little hole over here, but that's the hole for the microphone. And then of course right here in the middle is the lens, the camera lens for the recording. So we're gonna go ahead, venture into the great outdoors, test out these bad boys and see how they do. Okay, so I'm out and about, I'm outside in the neighborhood, I'm loose on the world, and yeah. The funny thing is, because this is not streamed to an app or anything, I don't actually know if they're working. I assume they are. There's a little LED light that flashes when it's recording, and the LED light is flashing, but like I won't know the quality of the recording or the audio or anything until I get home and download this to my, or upload this to my computer. So how ridiculous do I actually look?
Not terribly ridiculous.
Are they ridiculous? Like I feel like these side things, they're a little thick, and like the power button like to record and stuff is over here, but like I don't feel like it's too, like they matched it over here, so it's not conspicuous.
No, I wouldn't know what those were.
Yeah, okay.
I wouldn't think they were.
So you're not embarrassed walking down the street with me like this?
No.
Okay. Looking around, and taking it all in. Lots of bright colors today. We'll see how well it picks up on all that, how good its color reproduction is, and how good it deals with the bright sky and contrast. We can even kind of look at the sun, even though you're not supposed to do that. I mean, the color reproduction is really good. I feel like the sound is pretty good. There was some wind, and I don't feel like the wind noise is particularly terrible. I think that the exposure is good, the focus is good. For what it is, for how small that camera is, and for the price point of this item, I'm honestly kind of blown away. Now, granted, I don't have a lot of experience with Go cams and other things like that, but I know a lot of those items are pretty expensive. The one thing I will say about this that's a little bit jarring is obviously there's no stabilization. So as I walk, I mean, you can see just how rocky this is. Now, I wasn't trying to be more steady. I wasn't trying to walk and keep my head still or walk in a different way than I normally would. So, you know, perhaps if I walked on like the edges of my feet or something, I could have mitigated that jarring feeling a little bit. But man, overall, I feel like these do the trick. So let's try to do a little fake unboxing test right here. So, okay, you've got the Ming Sung video camera sunglasses. Open it up. Look inside. Take out the fake imaginary product. Set it down over here. I feel like these could work. I feel like these could do the trick as long as I keep my head steady while doing the unboxing. I feel like they could do a good job. Okay, so I just watched the footage of my kind of fake or my practice unboxing. I'm actually not as impressed with it as I thought it would be. The sound was fine. I'm actually super surprised at how good the audio is, but the items weren't always in focus. I feel like it really struggled to kind of keep things in focus. I think these are definitely more made for recording things that are a little bit more off in the distance. I think it's built for things that are farther away as opposed to things that are more up close, which in the product's defense, that's kind of how they've marketed themselves. That's how they describe the product on Amazon. There's no false advertising here, but just for my purposes here, for trying to use it for unboxings, I'm not sure it's going to work. So my final thoughts about the Ming Sung video camera sunglasses, they're pretty cool. If you're looking for just a fun gadget for 60 bucks, I don't know how much better you're going to do than that. They do the job really well. If you're interested in me doing a more in-depth or a fuller review about these things, let me know. But I feel like we got the story down pretty good. They work, they do what they're supposed to do. That they didn't do work quite as well, really up close with things that were like on a desk or something right in front of you. But anything past, I feel like 2 or 3 feet away, it did really, really well. It kept things in focus, good audio, good video. And like I said, it's just kind of a fun gadget. It's one of those futuristic things that make you feel like we've kind of arrived, and you don't look like a complete tool when you wear them, which is also a nice plus. At least I don't think I did. If I'm wrong, please feel free to let me know down in the comments so I don't wear them out in public anymore. Well, that's all the useful information I have for one day. If you're interested in purchasing a pair of these things, I will leave the link down in the description to Amazon for you to purchase them. If you do wind up getting them, please come back here after you use them for a little bit. Put your experiences down in the comments in order to help other people make a more informed buying decision. As always, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. And until next time, this is Rainbow Tech Info, signing out.